Hi there, students. Desiderium. Desiderium. Okay, this is a pretty formal word. This is where you miss something that you used to have. You feel sad at its loss and you really wish that it would come back. So it's a feeling of loss, a feeling of sadness for something that you once had but has gone. So, yeah, sometimes I feel desiderium for my youth. Yes, but I still want to know all the things I know now. Yeah? Okay, so you feel desiderium for something. Yeah, old people feel desiderium for times gone past. Yeah, I went to a reunion of my old schoolmates, and I was in a state of desiderium for several days afterwards, feeling the wanting it back, wanting to go back to my school days. Yeah, so a desiderium, it's a desire for something. It's something that you wanted for a long time. So notice, one desiderium, two desideria. Yeah, okay, it's a feeling of loss. Yeah, maybe you feel desiderium after someone has died and you wish you could have back the times that you spent with them. I think this word desiderium is a very literary word. It's a strong desire, a strong yearning to have something that you used to have before, something that used to be there. Yeah. So yeah, the present is wonderful and it's got all sorts of new things. But from time to time, we all feel desiderium about the past. Yeah, it's something that you feel sad that it's gone. You feel sad that you've lost it. That it's something that you desire. You wish it would come back. So I don't know. I feel a very strong desiderium about things gone, about times gone past, about the beauty of the countryside before it was destroyed by pollution. Okay, you feel desiderium. You're sad because something has gone. Now notice, don't confuse this with desideratum. Yeah, there's the poem Desiderata. Desideratum means something that's needed, something that's wanted. Yeah, something that is desired. So something that would be good to have. So jobs for everyone would be a desideratum for this country, something that's needed or wanted. Yeah, but this desiderium, this is a feeling of sadness about something that's gone, something that you used to have. And I don't think we ever had full unemployment. Yeah, so a desideratum or desiderata plural, these are things that it would be better if we had, it would be good. But this desiderium, this you feel sad because you don't have something you used to have. It's a yearning to go back to it. Yeah, so I don't know, I think we all feel desiderium from time to time about things that were but things that no longer are. But that's the point of life, that's the point of time. Time moves forward and we can remember these things, but they're never going to come back to us. Okay, so desiderium, yeah, a yearning, a desire for things that were in the past. Okay, formality. Yes, this is high up on the formality scale. I think I would give this 7.5 in formality. I think semi-formal writing or a formal writing. Yeah, and as to origin, well, we actually have in Latin the word desiderium. yeah, from desidero, I want, I desire, I need, yeah, it's from desire, to desire something, to want something, and that's the idea. So, 1 desiderium, 2 desideria. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Desiderium.